Good morning guys! Ngayon guys ay aalis kami. It's a family vacation day. Pupunta doon lang kami guys sa Mandalay, Las Vegas. Kakagising lang namin guys. So mag-ready muna ako sa mga dadalhin namin papunta doon.
Look, it's Mama.
Hi!
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning. So ito guys yung mga luggage namin naka-ready na. Nagising na rin yung mga bata, guys. So, guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast para pagbiyahe namin, hindi na kami bibili pa ng breakfast. So, ayan, guys, paper plate yung ginamit namin dahil maraming hugasin. So, ayan, yung liligpitin ko. Dahil yan ang ginagamit ko sa aking pagluluto kanina. So, mag-ano muna ako, guys, ligpit muna ako. Kailangan kasi guys, malinis ang bahay bago kami aalis para hindi mabaho pagdating namin. At saka, syempre, pagod kami pag-uwi. So, pagdating, malinis na ang aming bahay. So, yan guys. Malinis na. Yan. So, guys, paalis na kami dahil malinis na ang bahay. So, yan guys. Ayan ang aming dadalhin. So, ready na kami. Aalis. Guys, Mandalay Bay. Diyan kami mag-i-stay. Papasok na kami para mag-check-in. Mag-check-in lang kami guys. Ayan, nasawa ko guys, nag-check-in siya. Para hindi na kami pumila ba. Ang daming tao guys. Naka-line. Finally, may key na kami guys. Hindi na kami pipilang haba pa. Through phone na lang.
I'm doing 15. Okay, so
where are we going?
101 to 135.
Here?
So it's going to be this way.
This way? Nauna yung tatlo. Here. Okay, dokie.
Hold the door open.
I'll hold
Let
it.
me go first.
My God, this door is.
Oh my God, that mirror is huge.
Ay!
What is that?
Ang laki ng mirror, guys. So, ito yung room namin, guys.
Daddy, Cyrus should not touch this.
Yeah, it'll cost us money.
Cost us money to get that. Because it's expensive. Yes, boy! Sam!
Wow, look at that.
Take him out.
Okay. Oh my God. So to look at
Ayan na si Shelton. Bathroom agad ang inuuna niya pag nakapasok kami sa room namin, guys. So, ito yung aming
Wait, let's sit him get down and see what he does.
The view.
view.
Right when I walked
It's really
up,
nice,
right
our
when
view.
Right when I walked up, my brain
Hold on,
just.
look.
Right when I
So,
walked
ito
up, my
yung,
brain-
meron siyang dalawang, ano guys, dalawang tagayan ng
There's no
damit. Ang laki ng bathroom nila guys. So, ito naman yung CR.
Sam, here you come, Sam. He wants to see. Sam.
Malaki siya guys. His and her. Yan yung lababo.
Samantha, come here. Look at the bathroom.
Tuwang-tuwa si
Mom.
tuwang-tuwa si
Let me get our luggage up here.
tuwang-tuwa si Shelton guys.
Sam, did you have another 5? You have any? 20.
Ayun niyang pumunta doon sa gilid guys kasi glass. Takot siya. What is that? Oh, okay. You're so brave. You're brave, Sawyer.
He's like, I'm gonna walk out. Whee! When I walked just right, it felt.
Son,
Say hi,
it's the sun. Hi, son.
Akala niya mo, tuwang-tuwa siya.
sunshine. No,
So, ayan guys, dumating na ang aming luggage. Inakyat dito sa taas ng aming room. So, pababa na kami guys kasi kakain kami doon sa restaurant sa baba. Hindi pa namin alam guys kung ano ang kakainin namin. So, tara guys!
I'm gonna wear my Nikes.
Let's go!
Let's go like that.
Ready na si Sawyer guys.
What's that?
Let me make sure my key works.
Yeah.
It does.
Baka,
Pull the door lock.
okay, it's locked.
There's a lot of that stuff I saw on TikTok about.
Yeah,
People
it's,
breaking into rooms,
oh really?
especially through the door that connects the rooms.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
In different.
So, dito kami guys sa House of Blues. Kakain kami ng dinner with asawa, Sawyer, Samantha, and Shelton. Yum yum!
Say cheese.
Say cheese! Yum yum yum! Pagkatapos lang namin kumain guys. So, ayun naman yung tatlo. Hinihintay kami ng dalawa ni Sawyer. Cocoline. So, ayan. Gala lang kami guys. So, hindi kami pwede sa escalator kasi meron si Sawyer. O, sa elevator kami guys. Talaan papuntang taas. Papasok kami guys sa Luxor. Gala lang kami sa loob. Yan siya guys, mga room yan siya. Yan, paakyat pa yan pataas. Ito mga rooms to dito sa Luxor. Dito lang kami sa labas ni Suya guys. Andun sila sa loob. Tulog kasi si Sawyer. Ayan, knock out siya. Kaya dito kami sa labas.